Hooks are a fundamental component to most rigging applications. There are several different types of hooks out there. While some may be better for load securement, others may be better for lifting. So in today's video, we're going to go over the different types of hooks and what they are best used for. But before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful rigging videos, and make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video where we answer some of the most common questions that we get about hooks. Today, safety latch hooks are considered the standard for most rigging applications. In fact, OSHA lists that unless the application makes the use of the latch impractical or unnecessary, a safety latch type hook shall be used wherever possible. So in this video, we're going to focus on hooks with safety latches. The size and shape of most hooks are going to be classified by their working load limit. On our website, you can find hooks ranging from 220 pounds all the way up to 7 tons. Now, the dimensions that you'll want to take note of are the hook's eye diameter as well as the hook opening. Make sure that the eye diameter is large enough so that whatever rigging fitting you're using will fit through the opening, and you'll want to ensure that whatever you're attaching the hook to will easily be able to pass through the opening in the hook. The first hook that we're going to talk about is going to be a safety snap hook. Now, safety snap hooks can be found in just about every rigging specialist back pocket. They're commonly used for lifting applications, and they're great because you can easily attach them and then detach them from other rigging fittings, making them one of the most popular hooks that you can buy. Next up, we have swivel hoist hooks, and basically swivel hoist hooks just feature an integrated swivel at the top of the hook that allows you to position the hook in whichever direction you need it to be in prior to the lift. Now, it's important to note that these hooks are not going to be designed to be twisted or positioned while they're under load. What you want to make sure of is that before the lift, you're going to rotate this hook in whichever direction needed to prevent any sort of twisting or spinning of the inline components and cable or rope or chain or whatever it may be that's above the hook during the lift. Next up, we have grab hooks, and basically grab hooks can be found at the ends of chain or ratchet load binders for load securement and hauling. Grab hooks feature an opening that is going to correlate with a specific size length of chain, like say grade 70 transport chain, and at the back of the hook you're going to find a clevis that's going to allow you to easily attach or reattach this hook if you need to replace the hook on a piece of grade 70 transport chain or ratchet load binder. So we get a lot of questions about safety latch hooks and whether or not you can fix the safety latch if it happens to be damaged or broken. And basically the answer to that is yes, you can fix it yourself at home. Since it's not a load-bearing type component, there's no problem with doing so. It is important to note that we don't sell any replacement latches on the website, so you can either try and manually fix it at the house, or you can always hop online and you can find kits to replace latches for different size hooks. So we get a lot of questions about whether or not you can replace the hooks on something like a hoist or a cable puller. Now, if the hook is damaged, the first thing that you want to do is double check and make sure that the hoist or the cable puller is not damaged itself. Now, if you check the cable puller out and it's good to go and there's no damage to it, go ahead, take a look at the hook and see if it can be replaced. Some cable pullers or hoists are going to allow you to easily replace the hooks. Like say for instance with this one, the hook is retained by a pin and a retaining ring, and I can easily remove the hook, reinsert a new one. But in other cases, it's a permanent connection between that hook and the hoist or cable puller. And in that case, unfortunately, you're just going to have to replace the entire unit. Drop us a comment below if you have any more questions about hooks, or if you'd like to see a video on specialty hooks. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I'm Tyler with E-Rigging. Thanks for watching.